Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Regardless of what you might think, this is not an El Camino. This is a 1972 GMC Sprint. It's in beautiful show quality condition, air conditioning, power windows. It's restored front to back really nicely. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures, and get the price. Not only on this one, we do have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in a GMC Sprint. How many of you even knew there was such a thing? It was quite a while ago. I remember our first Sprint, and it's probably 15 years ago, and I didn't know such a thing existed. But anyway, this one's exceptionally nice. That's why I bought it. The quality is there. Underneath is really nice. It has a Hotchkiss 2-inch lowering sport suspension. It's got gas shocks. It's got box control arms. It's got sway bars. The whole front end was apart and rebuilt. Ball joints, bushings, the steering components. Looks like the steering box. All that looks new. It's got a nice dual exhaust system. It's all welded. There's no clamps. And it has these nice, like Pontiac style exhaust splitters. You just see them hanging down there. So the exhaust is all tucked up, and then it has the splitters on each side. It has a new fuel system, the tank, the straps, the sending unit. Bottom of the motor is still clean. It has a high torque starter, and it's upgraded with a 200 R4 overdrive automatic transmission. Makes it nice on the highway for cruising. The drive shaft looks new. The rear end is a 12-bolt rear end. It was apart. They said they put, I think, new axles and bearings. You can read my ad on our website, but they did go through the rear end. And it just looks like it's solid. Underneath is painted black. It looks solid, clean. Four-wheel disc brakes. The brake system's all been gone through. They put disc at all four wheels. Looks like it has a custom emergency brake, aftermarket cable system going to it. So everything underneath this truck has been worked on. I don't know of any parts under there that wasn't removed or rebuilt or replaced. The body is really nice. I just went around and inspected it, and then I went around and wiped it with the microfiber towel, and I didn't see anything wrong with it. Actually, it's even smooth to the touch. It's just like Teflon. It's super slick. And look at these custom door handles, and they work so easily. A baby could open and close the doors on this car. I also noticed there's no emblems. They just wanted a nice, clean look. But anyway, it's smooth all along the bottoms, under the tailgate. This is all smooth. There's no bubbles all around here. It's all nice. Door fits nice and square, all beautiful, right down to the bottom. It's like a mirror. No bubbles, no issues, no cracking. Up in here, there can be problem areas. I don't see any of that. It also has the raised hood. The SS stripes are painted on. They're smooth to the touch. Up here fits nicely. Beautiful color. It's like a really dark red metallic. It has really tiny metal flake that you see when the light hits it the right way. All of the trim looks like it's been replaced. Everything up front. The grille, headlight bezels, bumper, turn signals, all that looks like it's been replaced. All the glass is real nice. Actually, the back window is new. And all this trim, I'm sure it's all new. It's shiny, straight. Even the trim around this frame here, this anodized trim is new. All this even looks new. The rubber, the mirror, window seals. God, that opens and closes so easy. And everything fits nice and flush and smooth. 17-inch Corvette wheels with performance Nitto tires. Tailgate works really nice. Oh, all this trim all around here. It's all stainless, straight, shiny. These corner pieces. Actually, this one looks like new. This one has just a couple of pits on it. Here's a little dimple right here, too. Tailgate opens and closes easy. The latches, the cables look new. There's a rubber flap down here. It's there, and it's all painted. The bottom is as slick. All the hardware, all this is really nice. The walls are painted as slick as the outside. The floor is done in the same exact color, but it's done in a bed liner. This closes super easy and nice too. I don't know what it is about this seat, just a normal Chevelle El Camino seat, but this is some really soft material, and it's very cushy. Just a super comfortable seat. I don't know what's different about it, but a fantastic seat. Anyway, it's done from the carpet to the headliner. The carpets, the door panels, it's all metal trim behind the seats. It's all repainted. Visors, the mirror, all that's redone. The motor is a 350. We ran the casting number. It is a good motor. It's like a 6970 motor. It's got a high-rise Edelbrock, a big dual-feed Holley carb with electric choke, HEI ignition system, headers. Now the whole system on the front would be off a more modern car. Alternator, the brackets, the air conditioning, the serpentine belt. And it also has the Hydro Boost power assist for the brakes and the steering. Door jambs are slick as can be, new weather strips. The trim on the sides of the seat looks new. The whole dash, I think all of it's new. The dash pad, the instrument bezel, the heater control panel, the vents, the knobs, all new. Upgraded with Dakota digital gauges. Has a retro stereo in the factory hole. There's speakers down in the doors. And I think there's new speakers in the dash. I can kind of see through the little holes. I see a shiny speaker. And it has an amplifier behind the seat. It's a custom steering wheel, billet specialties on a tilt column with custom levers. And yeah, the kick panels, the vents, the brake release knob, power windows too. Everything in here looks new. This armrest pad, they probably had to dye it to match, and a little bit of dye is coming off. And then the seat belts, they're fine, but they're original. Those are the only couple things that aren't like new. Everything else is excellent. So we got braided stainless hoses for the power brakes and steering. Big Champion aluminum radiator with 2 electric fans. And everything looks proper. The washer fluid is full. The wiper motor looks new. The battery's bolted down. Both horns are here. The wiring looks new. So just a nice motor compartment. And all the metal, it's all painted the same glossy burgundy color. I think it's time that we start her up. So you want a nice looking vehicle you can drive. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes, overdrive, air conditioning. And this seat is so comfy. Oh, that sounds nice. Oh, that's got that perfect Lopi idle. 3,147 miles since it's been restored. Yeah, I'm happy with this one. That's nice. Sounds healthy, revs right up. Pretty impressive vehicle. That's my impression of this GMC Sprint. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact the salesman. If you have any specific concerns or questions, they'd be happy to answer them for you at volocars.com. They will also make the financing, shipping, and paperwork super easy. If you just enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And click on the bell icon, and that way you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.